How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Well, it's finally that time. September's Petrolbox is here. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, well, as some of y'all may or may not know from my previous videos, you open this up, there's a golden ticket in here, and you end up winning a free set of Roadiform monoblock wheels. So let's open it up and see if I got it. I know they post on Instagram a video of them packing the golden ticket in one of the boxes. So every time you open the box, you have a chance of winning a set of wheels. So let's see. And no wheels this month, but wow, it's like stuffed with stuff this month. Very cool. So let's dig a little deeper and let's see what's in here. All right, well, Petrolbox is a monthly subscription box you get in the mail with monthly car enthusiast, random stuff. It'll be anything from tools to car products to t-shirts to, you name it, it'll be in there for cars. Thank you for your support from the Petrolbox team. Their signatures there, I guess, of the owners, the people that run it. Monthly box contents. It's going to give you a list of everything that's on here, plus the monthly contest of the golden ticket with the Roadiform wheels. So let's go ahead and go through it. And immediately I'm greeted with this Grease Monkey Pro Crew Chief Extreme with touchscreen technology. What? Huh, maybe it'll still work on your phone. Touchscreen compatible gloves. They're real thin feeling. Very cool. Large, so okay, let's see. Should be my size. Fit very nice. Wow, very good fit there. Touchscreen compatible gloves. They got kind of a stretchy feel to them there in the front. Goes around your hands nice, and then kind of a leather backing on them for grip. Let's see what else we got here. Leave those there. Ooh, another car wash mitt. I think I got one from here. No, actually it was from a viewer sending me mitts. I got a bright green one like this, but it's already been used 3 or 4 times, so this will be the one behind it. And it's actually a little bit softer. Really nice quality here. Grease Monkey was the gloves. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I figured. This is the Rag Company. They have really good, I love their towels, microfiber towels I've gotten in some of these. Seem to specialize solely in the microfiber and the mitts, I guess you call this. Very nice quality there. I know y'all can't tell how soft it is, but the fibers seem, just super soft on this. This will be a great car wash mitt, so looking forward to using that. And we got some kind of Limitless stickers. Oh, it says Limitless Car Care Limitless Lather. So it's with the lather here. Company is Limitless Car Care Limitless Lather pH neutral gloss enhancing maintenance soap. Okay, always can use car wash stuff. This will definitely come in handy. Let's bust it open here. That with the sticker there. My.Mechanic, turn your own wrench. See what it says about this. My.Mechanic Roadside Emergency LED Kit. Ooh, that's Come back to that. An advertisement for a Sidekick 2 shop stool. Some other goodies. Limitless car care and a code for them. Let's see what the candy for the month is. Jaw Busters. I can't eat these, but my wife will love that one. And we've got, I guess this is the emergency LED, Roadside Emergency LED Kit from My.Mechanic. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what's inside that box. So let's see what we got here. Oh, they're like little roadside flashers. It's got directions here, I guess, on turning them on. I hope it wouldn't be too weird to figure out. Nice little clip on each one of them. Well, that didn't do anything. Oh, they require batteries. 3 AAAs, and we'll have our Roadside Light. Let me see if I've got those. And they've got a nice little case for carrying them. I'll probably put these in my wife's car if she ever has a problem. She'll have some nice roadside LED lights. So let me get some batteries on these so we can show them off. Alright, so I finally found some batteries here. It seems like we pushed it once, it was a white light, pushed it twice, it's a flashing red. Maybe I'm not doing something right. Weird. I'll have to figure this out, but evidently the different codes you can put in here will do different things on it. Okay, should be no click to change mode here. So yeah, different modes you can put it on. As long as you don't push it all the way down to the click, you can change to different modes. Whoop. So that's pretty cool. I'll definitely put this in the wife's truck in case she ever comes across a problem on the road or whatnot. She's got these. Emergency LED kit, very cool addition there, guys. Wasn't a shirt this month. It looks like they went all out with these, the kit, the mitt, and all that. 2 thumbs up for switching it up. I really like this month. Oh, we also got the subscriber of the month. Looks like Dobie Dancy, and he's got some type of Acura Integra there, it looks like. Congrats to you, Dobie, subscriber of the month. Well, there we've got our Petrolbox, so let's put it all together. Let's see what we got. Got the emergency flashing lights, of course. Jawbreaker candy. We've got the Rag Company mitt. Always good products from them. The Grease Monkey gloves that are touchscreen compatible. Ride of the month. 2 stickers, one from My.Mechanic, one Limitless for the toolbox. And then of course we got our Limitless Lather soap. Anxious to try that. There you have it, this month's Petrolbox. Very good month from Petrolbox. Looking forward to using all this stuff. And thanks you all for watching my video again. I've got the contest I won from Fresh Motor Company, where they're sending me a year supply of air fresheners. That's coming up here shortly. So please do me a favor, like the video below, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my updates. And as always, y'all have a great week.